Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to see best out of waste Rakhi ideas. I'm going to show you 4 different types. First I'm going to take a chocolate cardboard. You can take any cardboard of your choice. To cut the round shape out, I'm taking a cap and just cut it out. I'm taking a bukram sheet and trying to mark this. You can skip this step. I'm just adding this as an outer layer. I'm just marking a margin outside and then cutting it out. Now I'm sticking it using Fevicryl. I'm going to make tiny slits and then fold it backwards and stick it. I'm going to use another cardboard piece backside to cover the blue color. Now the base is ready. For the first idea, I'm going to use some rhinestones. You can use rhinestones of any size and shape. First I'm going to add a mirror in the middle and then adding a gold chain around it and then add the stones. You can make any layers, big or small. So like this I'm going to add the rhinestones using Fevicryl. So this was the first idea. If you are liking our channel content, please like, share and subscribe. Only then we can make more videos. Okay, like this I added, and then I added a thread around it, and first Rakhi is ready. For the second idea, I'm going to take some beads. Now I'm going to add it to the thread. So first I'm adding one pearl, tying a knot on both the ends, then adding gold bead, again tying a knot and securing it. I had these 2 pom-poms with me, left over from some other project. I'm adding that as well, and then adding another pearl. Then I had this elephant bead. This you usually get it for sari, kuchu and all. Similarly, you make the reverse side of it on the other end and your second Rakhi is ready. Isn't it looking like store-bought? So cute, right? For the third idea, I'm going to use the leftover pendants at home. First I'm going to take a lace and make a border around it. Then for one of it I colored it with black. Using Fevibond I'm going to stick the pendants. Any leftover pendants will do. Isn't it a creative idea? It will look unique as well as your pendant is also used. Then add thread and you're done. For the fourth idea, I'm going to use some earbuds. I'm going to color them with Fevicryl Acrylic paint. I'm going to use 3 colors, yellow, red and green. You can use single color as well, and you can make multiple layers as well. I'm going to do a single layer and show you. Like this I cut it out. Now I'm going to use Fevicol. In the middle I'm going to use one button or any stone of your choice, and around it I'm going to stick this in any order you want to. You can make 2 layers as well or 3 layers to make it more bigger. Isn't it quick and easy ideas? This Rakhi season you can make one of these and share with us on Instagram. We'll be happy to acknowledge it. So like this our fourth idea is ready. You add a thread behind this and your Rakhi is ready. You can use all these Rakhis as buttons later. Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.